Right about 2 subscribers, alright, my bird? Subscribe to the video.
Hi, subscribe to the candy.
No, videos.
Videos? What's a video?
You watch videos?
Can you get candy from a video?
No, you can't. You only subscribe videos.
What?
Or just like the thumbs down.
If you like this video, give me a thumbs down because I hate you.
Redbird! Redbird! What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Redbird?
Just make sure I get candy.
Really? You're stupid.
Keep dreaming. At least I got all the candy.
I dislike your video. It's kid bait. I dislike your video because you're stupid.
What's the matter, King Pig? Are you sorry that I took your candy?
No. I'm bad after your egg. I'm gonna steal your
You can
egg.
have the eggs. I just want candy.
Well, there's candy inside the egg. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it.
Better not.
Yes, I do.
I might have to whoop you.
What? What are you gonna do that? Your egg is at the my sissy's house, not here.
That's a damn shame.
Too bad for you, birdies. The other birds will be good. So I could be taking it. Yeah, whatever. He's killing us.
I'm the train. The sacred bird. I am the train. Alright, guess we're the train conductors.
With you in charge, it'll probably run off the rails.
Who cares? We're going on the track right now.
Is the engine's name Thomas?
No.
Frank?
This train's name is Gordon. This train's name is Gordon.
Gordon, that's silly.
Why? Gordon is the best one I never gone before. Wait, he's my best trains ever.
What? That's silly.
Oh yeah, I like Hero the best because he's black, like me. Red, you forgot the thing again. Red, what? Red, we missed the thing. Can you go back?
No,
Why not?
we can only go forward.
Come on, Redbird, turn around.
No.
Why not? Just turn around and then
We're
go
supposed
all
to
the
be
way
driving
back.
the train. It's not my fault.
Oh, come on, Redbird, you're supposed to turn around. Fine, let's go forward.
Where are we going? Where are we going, birdies?
No, we're going crazy
Why?
because it's fun.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Why are we going forward and there's a truck in front of us? I mean the back of us. Or above us.
I don't know.
Are you sure we're going forward?
Yeah.
I had the lever, I don't know what it does. Redbird, you know what the lever does? I never know what the lever does.
Oh, let's see a check button. Bye.
What? Why is it there's a check button? There's no way check button here. There's no check button. It's only a red button. There's no red button on this car. Are you serious? There's no red button on this train.
That's a damn shame.
Well, our tank of filled water is going out. We need some more water or something to get.
You make a horrible cameraman there, Bob.
Oh, come on, Red. What everything are we going? Why are we going crazy? Where are we going?
I hate to tell you, but your video's still running.
What?